Welcome back to Book of the Week for boat builders. This week's Book of the Week has to do with electrical work. And this is a pretty good electrical handbook. It says right on the cover, electrical handbook. It covers pretty much everything. It doesn't go into specific how-tos or whatever, but it is everything you would basically need to know. The basic ABYC standards, American Boat and Yacht Council standards, corrosion control, alternators, boat for both DC and AC, some solar and some do-it-yourself projects and stuff in here. Let's take a look at some of the stuff in here. Okay. Different tables. Talks about alternators and all your different connectors, rectifiers, controlling the alternator, charging setups, various flow charts, corrosion protection. What else we got in here? Approved shore power circuits. Talks about different lights, incandescence, fluorescence. It may not be updated for LEDs. I haven't checked. What else we got here? Yeah, solar power. Wind power. Some of that's for sailboats. Skip over some of that wind power. Installing electronics. Different connections like a watertight box. Slip-on adhesive lined heat shrink tubing. Antenna cable connectors. A little line of sight chart for radar, harnessing electrical noise for your radios, electrical filters, and then do-it-yourself projects here. Capacitors, resistors, batteries, single cell batteries, switches. It's a good general knowledge book, and it will tell you a lot about electronics, especially if you really do not know crap about electronics. It'll definitely keep you out of trouble. And then there's a nice conversion chart at the back, and resistance charts and power conversion charts. And here's a good one right here for you. Wiring color codes. This right here might be worth the price of the book for some of you. Yeah. I might want to photocopy that for myself. Electronic formulas, identifying resistors, tons of useful, and in case you never thought you'd use it, trigonomic tables. Yep, that math you thought you never in a glossary. Anyway, it's something you could borrow probably from a library, but if you want to put it in your shop library, I've included a link in the description. I've got it in mine. It's a must-have for my library. A whole bunch of books here. You know, keep the books coming. Thank you for watching. That's this week's book, Basics of Electronics. Well, Boatowner's Illustrated Electrical Handbook, 2nd edition by Wing.